નમસ્તે, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. હેલો સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ, ટુડે we are going to learn standard 7th subject English grammar lesson number 29 figures of speech. As you know the students, in our previous video we completed teaching points related to figures of speech, and we also see one figure of speech, apostrophe, in our previous video. What is a figure of speech and where we have to use all the things we discussed. Now today in this video we have to see the second figure of speech, metonymy. मेटोनमी के बारे में हमें जानना है. सेकंड फिगर ऑफ स्पीच, मेटोनमी, where it is used and which condition it is used, we have to understand about it. Metonymy. So let's start our study. Metonymy is a figure of speech in which a thing is denoted by another object that is in close association with it. Metonymy figure of speech, one thing is denoted by another thing. एक चीज को दूसरी चीज का एग्जाम्पल लेके एक दूसरी चीज के साथ कंपेयर करके उसको दिखाई जाती है. एक चीज की बात करने के लिए दूसरी चीज का सहारा लेना होता है. एट दैट टाइम मेटोनमी इज अ फिगर ऑफ स्पीच इन विच अ थिंग इज डिनोटेड बाय अनदर ऑब्जेक्ट. कोई एक चीज को कोई दूसरे ऑब्जेक्ट से दिखाया जाता है. That is in close association with it, and that object is close association with that thing. Can you understand a little bit thing is that about metonymy? Metonymy है क्या figure of speech में क्या? कोई एक चीज को दिखाने के लिए दूसरा कोई ऑब्जेक्ट की हेल्प लेके उस चीज को दिखाई जाती है. That type of figure of speech is known as a metonymy. Which example you have to understand? Example is given here. The pen is mightier than the sword. Here we are showing about pen. हम किसकी बात कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे? पेन की बात कर रहे हैं. But pen is showing with कौन सी दूसरा ऑब्जेक्ट लेके यहाँ पे कंपैरिजन किया गया है? स्वॉर्ड लेके. पेन का कंपैरिजन स्वॉर्ड से किया गया है. पेन की बात करने के लिए स्वॉर्ड एज ए ऑब्जेक्ट यहाँ पे लिया गया है. The pen is mightier than the sword. Pen is mightier than the sword. So here pen denotes intellect. Here pen stands for intellect, and sword denotes might. Sword क्या दिखाता है यहाँ पे? Might, ताकत दिखाता है. And pen क्या दिखाता है? Intellectual, बुद्धि दिखाती है यहाँ पे. Okay, pen see the intellectual power, and sword denotes might power. Thus the meaning would be that the power of the written words is greater than the power of physical force or weapons. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? Power of written words is greater than the power of physical force or weapon. Weapon से भी पेन बढ़िया है. वेपन से भी पेन बढ़िया है, जिससे हम सब कुछ कर सकते हैं जो वेपन से नहीं कर सकते. So here pen is denoted by the sword. Sword से पेन को दिखाया गया है कि pen is mightier than the sword. So pen denotes intellectual and sword denotes mightier. Thus the meaning would be that power of the written word is powerful than the might force of weapon. वेपन का जो फोर्स है उससे भी बढ़िया पावर पेन का है. So that type of comparison is done by metonymy figure of speech. Metonymy figure of speech. Can you understand a little bit about it, students? Now based on that, we have to do one little exercise. Now students, based on our learning, based on our understanding about metonymy figures of speech, we have to do one little exercise. Exercise B. Exercise B's heading is given here. See. Look at the following statements and identify the metonymy and say what it is used to represent. Now here downside some statements or sentences is given and identify identify the metonymic figures of speech from that sentence. हमें वहां से metonymic figures of speech को identify करना है and say what it used to represent, and we have to say also that what it represent, वो क्या represent कर रहा है. Understand? So let's start our exercise. Open your grammar textbook, page number 95. Exercise B I am talking. I just read the question sentences from the textbook and I write the answers here. Okay, you have to complete all the answers as I written on the board. जो मैं बोर्ड पे लिखता हूँ वैसा ही आपको कंप्लीट करना है. First sentence is given here. The Pentagon has declared that the US troops will return by 2015. The Pentagon has declared that the US troops will return by 2015. Here, Pentagon is a metonymy. Is a metonymy here. Answer number first. Pentagon. Pentagon stands for किसके लिए पेंटागन मीन्स क्या होता है यहाँ पे, वो किसके साथ पेंटागन की बात करके हमें कौन सी चीज की बात करनी है. जैसे पेंटागन स्टैंड्स फॉर द, किसके लिए है वो, फॉर द यूएस गवर्नमेंट की बात कर रहे हैं हम. So here Pentagon stands for the US government. वो US government के लिए बात की गई है. Now second sentence we have to understand. Sentence number second. You are east and I am west. You are east and I am west. Do you think we will ever meet? You are east and I am west. Do you think we will ever meet? Here which word is used as a metonymy? Can you identify? Yes. Here east and west. East and west denote the different cultures, in the eastern and Eastern and Western societies. Eastern and Western society. So East and West denote the different cultures in the Eastern and Western society. Understand, student? Now third sentence we have to see. Sentence number third. Third sentence is given in your textbook. The bench has pronounced its statement. The bench has pronounced its statement. Here bench means what? Here metonymy में क्या दिखाया गया है? Bench means what? B-E-N-C-H. Bench here stand for judge. Stands for, यहाँ पे जज की बात की गई है. जजेस, यहाँ पे जजेस की बात की गई है, बेंच के जजेस. नाउ फोर्थ सेंटेंस नंबर फोर्थ we have to understand. He shall soon be walking the SL. He shall soon be walking the SL. Here SL stands 4. Marriage. Marriage. Altar. And matrimonial. Matrimonial ceremony. Understand, student? SL stands for marriage, altar, and matrimonial ceremony. These are shown be walking the SL. Now, sentence number 5 we have to understand. Sentence number 8. Mrs. Godson asked the butler to clean the silverware. Mrs. Godson asked the butler to clean the silverware. Which word is used as a metonymy here? Silverware. Silverware. Silverware denotes dinner, cutlery. It denotes the dinner cutlery. मीन्स डिनर में जो चीजें यूज होने वाली है उसकी बात यहाँ पे दी गई है. ओके, सिल्वरवेयर के जरिए. नाउ सिक्स्थ सेंटेंस, सेंटेंस नंबर 6. I have read the entire library. I have read the entire library. What is the meaning of here metonymy? Here library. Entire library. So library is the metonymy word here. So what it is? Library. It's on the metonymy. Library stands for the books inside the library. Inside the library. किसकी बात हो रही है यहाँ पे? लाइब्रेरी के अंदर जो सारी बुकें हैं उसकी बात हो रही है. ये लाइब्रेरी पूरी लाइब्रेरी ऐसी बात नहीं. लाइब्रेरी के अंदर जो बुकें हैं वो मैंने पढ़ ली है. सो आई हैव रीड द एंटायर लाइब्रेरी. उसका मतलब ए होता है. नाउ सेंटेंस नंबर 7. सेंटेंस नंबर 7 we have to understand. This restaurant provides the best services. This restaurant provides the best services. Here, which word is the metonymy? Restaurant. So, restaurant. Restaurant is the metonymy used here. Restaurant stands for the staff of restaurant. Staff of restaurants. So here restaurant stands for the staff of restaurants. With that, our exercise B over here means metonymy figure of speech over here. You have to complete all the answers as written on the board. Okay? So now in our next video we have to see the next figure of speech. Thank you for joining us.